Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited. I actually got some items at Ulta today. So you can see my nice big Ulta bag. So I'm pretty excited. I kind of want to just jump in right now. This is going to be a video just to kind of show you guys what I got. My eyebrows and my makeup is just half done right now because I thought I would maybe try a couple things on too. Just to see, you know, how some of the items are that I got. And then of course I'll do some more tutorials later as far as, you know, full makeup looks and stuff like that. So the first thing I got in this bag, and we'll start with maybe something I'm the least excited about, would be the Ulta eye makeup remover wipes, and there's 80 in this. Now, these pads were originally $6.50. I got them on clearance today for like $1.47. So I thought this would be worth a try. Right now I'm using the Up and Up brand Target makeup remover wipes, but I figured for $1.50 you cannot go wrong with these. So I'm hoping they're gonna work good. I'm pretty excited about these guys. I did get a few different lip items here. So I got, this is the Sweet and Shimmer lip gloss, which is in 4 different shades. So what I'm wondering is if I hate this shade and I want to try on the next one, do I just squeeze it until this is all out and go to the next? Same with if I want the last one here. Do I just like squeeze the whole thing until I get to that color or what? How does that work? Is that what you would normally do? I don't know. Anyways, then I got the Sweet and Shimmer lip crayons. Let's see if it tells me the colors on here. You guys, as weird as this sounds, I don't think that it has a shade for either of these, which is nuts. Manufactured for blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say what shade it is. So I guess we have light pink and a darker, brighter pink. I don't know. Okay, let's start with this one maybe. Let's see what this shimmery brown color looks like on. Okay, so it's like a squeezy tube here. Let me turn my makeup light on. Oh, wow. It's definitely brown. Okay, so this is really sticky. It's almost uncomfortable on my lips. It's so sticky. Like, just kind of odd. I don't think the shade is horrible. I just think the formula itself is kind of thick. So I guess keep that in mind if you're gonna get the Sweet and Shimmer brand. Their lip gloss is sticky. This is, yeah, just plain lip gloss. Again, this one doesn't have a particular shade at all. I really would like to try the second brown color, and then I would like to try the shimmery one at the end. So maybe in another video, I'll just squirt this out and we'll try all 4 colors. Might as well, right? Okay, so there's that. Let me wipe this off. I guess I could be using those makeup pads, even though they're for the eyes. I'm sure they would work just fine for everything else. Yeah, super sticky. Okay, so let's start with this lighter color next here. Okay, so this is a lip crayon. This is actually going on really nice. I forgot to tell you guys too, these, I took the stickers off, but these were, I think originally like $5, and I got these today for 47 cents. Can you believe that? 47 cents, what a steal. So even if these suck, it really doesn't matter, it's worth it. This one's pretty, this is light, but I actually really like this lighter pink color right here. And it feels really good on my lips. It's really light. I almost think it kind of has like a flowery scent. I don't know if it really does or if I'm just imagining that, but I do like this shade. This one's really nice. Okay, so let me wipe this one off and let's go to this darker pink shade here. Oh, wow. Yep, this is definitely a brighter pink. Of course, it's also a lip crayon, so it feels the same as the last one. There's definitely a difference in the color, but this one, maybe that's a little bit easier to see. It's definitely a brighter pink. I don't feel like it's anything too crazy though. It's still kind of more like on the tame side. So I could definitely wear it to work or to the grocery store. Or I could even wear it, you know, obviously like on a date night. So there's that pink. You guys, this is the first time I've ever gotten like a lip color that does not have a shade. It's the weirdest thing. It must be this brand, which I've never tried before. Sweet and Shimmer. I don't know. Very odd. Okay, so then the next thing I got, and I believe it's the same brand as well. I wonder if this brand is going out of business. Or what the deal is, because this is the Brow Duo, and this is also in that Sweet and Shimmer brand. So, and I actually took my eyebrows off for this. So this is the actual brown, the tint, and then this is called the highlighter. So if you guys have ever used a pencil like this before, I know there's other brands out there. There's one of them that's called like the push-up bra, but for your eyes, obviously. So it's like the highlighter that you put underneath of your eyebrow, which is supposed to like push it up. And then you'd put obviously the brown on the actual eyebrow itself. The lid doesn't want to stay on very well on either side, so I'm just gonna take the lid off both here. And let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna start with doing my actual eyebrow. I think, let's pop these puppies up here, if you guys can see this. I'm going to start at the bottom and just kind of take nice strokes. I am going to kind of outline the bottom of my eyebrow first, so you can see that there's kind of the eyebrow shape. And then I'm just going to kind of start filling in the hairs. See how that's kind of taken shape there? Kind of go around the top a little bit. Just kind of do like light strokes to kind of fill in my eyebrow shape. I actually kind of like this pencil. I don't think it's that bad. It's turning out a little bit darker than I would have even expected because the color looks kind of light, but it actually isn't as light as it looks. And of course they only had one shade at the store, so I just bought the shade that was available. It's going on really nicely, actually. I don't know how well you guys can see this. So I have the actual brows drawn on both sides. Can you guys see that? I feel like it maybe kind of looks more, doesn't give it like as natural of a look as like the Benefit brow pencil. It almost feels thick too, so it like, I don't know, it went on kind of weird. I think the color looks nice in person. I think it looks a little bit better than it does on my camera here, but it maybe doesn't look quite as natural as what you would normally go for. Okay, so now I'm gonna go for the end here, the highlighting color, which I'm just gonna go kind of right under my eyebrow. So you wanna kind of go right under the bottom. And then you can go like in the corner of your eye. And then you can also go like on the top really lightly if you want to. So I'm gonna start by just kind of lining underneath here. You guys see that? Just right under. Kind of just gives it more of like a clean look. So then I'm gonna just kind of blend it in with my finger here. And I can tell you right now, I don't love it. Look at that. It actually like swiped over my eyebrow. Do you guys see that kind of? Let's see how it goes in the center here. It's just a weird formula. I don't love it whatsoever. If I were to do a highlight under my eyebrow, I would definitely use probably more of like a concealer instead of this pencil. Let's try it on this eye and just give it one more go here. It's just odd and the color isn't right. It's definitely more of like a yellow, which I don't love. You guys, it doesn't even blend in good. I think this is definitely a flop. So yeah, I wouldn't go with this Shimmer and Sweet, or a Sweet and Shimmer Brow Duo pencil. Nope, I don't think that's good. No. Okay. So you guys, the last thing that I'm super excited about for makeup, so far I've liked the 2 lip colors, did not like that pencil. And this is, I don't know, not comfortable on. The last thing is what I'm the most excited about, and that would be, this is the Beauty Gems Ultimate Eye Palette. So this, you guys, has so many colors in it. I am so excited. I actually, when I was checking out, both of the workers at Ulta had told me that they love this palette. They said they have it at home. They think it's amazing. The colors are awesome. One of the gals said she was overwhelmed when she brought it home because there were so many colors. So let's take a look. Okay. So Beauty Gems. Let me shut this light off for a minute here. If I can get it open. Okay. Oh my gosh. So here are all of the colors. Let me take this off. And it came with 4 of these little brushes. Look at these, you guys. They are beautiful. And then of course it has a mirror on it as well. I think, let me maybe add, I have pink on my eyes. I didn't do mascara on the bottom, and I didn't do eyeliner either. I'm thinking let's do like a blue on the bottom. Maybe I'll go with, you know what, let's do this bright green right here. How about that? Should we try like the brightest color that there is and just see how it works, how it looks, how pigmented the color is? Okay, so let's try it. I'm going to grab, this is my Eco Tools angled liner brush. So I'm gonna make sure that all the color is off, which it is. Okay, so let's dab into this brightest, like a green teal type color. And I'm just gonna go right underneath of my, you guys, I did my makeup so fast. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna go right underneath here. We'll see how pigmented this is. You guys, that's pretty nice. Let me use my actual mirror here instead of looking at my camera to do this. Wow, I can tell you already I love it, you guys. This is awesome. This is super pigmented. Very, very pretty. I wish the lighting was a little bit better so you guys could see this, but when I'm done here, I'll try to move my camera around a little bit so you guys can kind of take a look. It's going on really smooth. It's super pigmented. It's not really, there's not a lot of like drop off in the color. It's seeming to go on pretty close to where I'm putting it, making it a little bit of a thicker line here. Okay, I think I like it. Let me pop some mascara on the bottom here and we'll take a look. Ugh. Okay, so let's see if I can get a little bit better light. Let me pull this up here. So what do you guys think? You can see how pigmented that is. It's super pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, my face is super red. It's like 10 o'clock at night right now. What do you guys think? Very bright. I actually like it a lot. I think this palette is definitely going to be good. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all the purples. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at those shimmery ones over there on the end too, you guys. That's awesome. Yeah. Okay, so that is all for what I got at Ulta. So everything I got was on clearance. And actually this I think was originally, it might have been about $16. And then today it was on sale for like $7.50. Oh my gosh, you guys, what a good deal. Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, so that's everything I got today at Ulta. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. I'll try to tag what I can underneath. But I'm wondering, like I said, if this company is going out of business, or maybe if it was just like a holiday line that's over. Maybe they're switching over to, you know, spring colors. I have no idea. But yeah, I'll maybe do another video and squirt out this one and, you know, try each of these. Just squirt it out since the formula on this sucks anyways. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys.